Who got the power?
Welcome to the 7th tutorial on Theme D. We will be looking at degrees of democracy and a case study that compares democracy in Azerbaijan with Norway. A dictator is a national leader who makes all the decisions for the country, without reference to the population. A country may have elections, but they are not free and fair. The country is not democratic. In many countries around the world, elections are held but the citizens are not free to vote for who they want. The Democracy Index is a table which rates how democratic countries are around the world, created by the Economist Intelligence Unit. This table, from 2018, rates Norway as the most democratic country. The UK ranked 14th. Can you think of the different characteristics that we associate with the dictatorship? Azerbaijan is ranked 149th in Democracy Index. The same family ruled the country for decades. When one president died, he was replaced by his son. Voters were intimidated to keep voting for that family and the media was biased in their favor. There were demonstrations against the unfair setting for elections, but these were met with police violence. This is an oil-rich country that should prosper, but there is widespread poverty, corruption and mass unemployment. Norway is ranked first in the Democracy Index. Almost all adult citizens who live in the country have the right to vote, including immigrants. All elections are free and fair, with people able to vote for whichever party they like without pressure. All citizens are free to express themselves on all political issues, including through demonstrations. The media is free to express views on politics, which includes criticizing the government. Also, the government's policies are influenced by the people. In the exam, you might be asked to explain why freedom of the press is important or why people are more likely to be better off in a country that is more democratic.